We're looking at linking some words today before you do a passage, so I'll just put up some examples on the board for you. So the first one, if we look at of and we look at the as two separate words, we can link those together by simply doing the of and the h. So we're missing out the t, and that becomes the phrase of the. So if we move across also from, if we wrote from the as a single word, we can simply go from the, reducing it just to the h. If you don't particularly like that one, you can also just link it by joining together the from and the. But the quicker way is obviously the better way. We've got over the. Now remember that we had a little o for over, and so we can simply put the whole the, and that becomes over the, rather than doing the full over, which would be OVR. Okay, that it. Okay, there's our that. There's our little it. We can join that together by going that it. Nice easy one to join together. It looks nice and easy to read, plus it's nice and quick. That there, so if we take a look at the that, we've got our that. That can be that there, or you can, if you like, do that there, where you simply blend the THR together. So you've got a choice for that one. In effect, so in and then EFCT as a full word, we can simply go INFCT, and that becomes in effect. While we're there, we might have a look at this one, which is actually in fact. So it's not in the passage, but it doesn't hurt to read something that's not there. And more, so instead of more and more, which is quite cumbersome, we simply link them together, more and more. We're missing out the and altogether, which is nice and quick. Be careful when you're doing more than, because these are more, THN for than, so we have more than, so that the N just becomes the than. One of the things to always remember with your M's and N's are the size, and also you get those often mixed up with a G, so you've got to make sure that your M's and N's and G's are all very clear. Then we've got this morning, so there's our this, there's our morning. We can put it together by going this morning. So those are great little phrases, so practice those and then you'll be able to use them in the dictation. So just to revise, we've got of the, from the, and you've got a choice with from the, over the. We've got that it, and we've got two examples for that there, whichever one you prefer. We've got in effect, we've got more and more, we've got more than, and we don't need the extra more and more, and then we've got this morning.